Okay, let's say you've created your Stripe account, but it's not right for you. You want to close your account. Let's follow along on the steps for how to close your Stripe account. First, you'll be logged in like I am right here. You can see my account. It's active. It's ready to go, but I've decided I don't want to use Stripe. I'm going to use something else to collect payments. So to close my account, I go to settings, and here there's a lot of different options, but I'm going to select the first one that says business. On the very first tab where you start, it says account details, and you'll see all the business details for your account. You'll scroll down to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you see close your account. So this is basically what you're going to do if you want to close your account. You want to make sure that you are indeed wanting to close your account, because you can't do anything after you close it. You can't respond to anything. You can't fix anything. There's no going back here. But if you are ready to close your account, you go over to the right-hand side with the red button that says close account and click on that. And it will bring a pop-up that basically has you authenticate that you are the owner of the account. So whichever way you set up your two-step authentication in the beginning, you'll have to do that now. So I got a message to my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that code and then put it in here. Once you put that in, it automatically goes to the next step, and then it will ask you on the pop-up if you are sure that you want to close your account. So it just will have your business name here, and it's going to ask you that you want to close your account because you won't be able to access your financial data for tax purposes. So if you are deciding you don't want to use Stripe anymore, you might want to keep your account open because you still want to access the old data because you might need it for taxes or something like that. You also can't create new charges or refunds. You can't submit evidence for new disputes. So they just want to make sure that you have everything taken care of before you close your account, because you can't access it any longer. So you want to make sure that's accurate. And if it is, down here, there's a red close account button, and I'm going to go ahead and click that close account button, and that will take us through the process of closing our Stripe account. It's really easy, actually. They make it way more simple than a lot of accounts to close. It says your account has been closed, and you now have to sign in with a different account if you want to use Stripe. Otherwise, you can no longer use Stripe. Basically, it's gone. It is one of the fastest ways to cancel your account and close your account. Stripe makes it really simple, and they don't let you go back. So that is something to keep in mind if you want to close your Stripe account after opening one. It is simple, but you cannot go back. You cannot get anything. So you need to make sure that is the right choice. I hope this video was helpful and show you how to close your Stripe account. So you can definitely watch all of the other videos on my channel on Stripe and other payment platforms if you're going to try to earn money online and accept payments online. Definitely check out this video next.